how to connect ClickUp with n8n step by step. If you want to automate your ClickUp task without touching a single line of code, so in this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you exactly how to connect ClickUp with n8n. So you can create powerful automation that runs on their own. We will go through the process of starting to finish, perfect for beginner. So let's get started. So if we talk about the requirement, what you need is an agent account. If you don't have set up your account, just go into description. You will get 15 days free trial. Now, so the second need is your ClickUp account, and in that you have to have a workspace. So these are the requirements. So let's get started. First, as you can see, I am at my n8n workflows. So I will just simply click on this. So we will give you a little preview. So this is where I created, this is where I have set up all of the things. So as you can see, let's just simply uh, perform a task to ensure that it is working or not. So I will choose space name and ID. Then I will choose folder list. And from here, you have to choose list, give a name to your task number 1, and then execute this step. Let's see if it is work or not. So as you can see, it is work. So yeah, this is how you can do. So let's start the tutorial and see how you can create credential for that. So this is my basic workflow. So in order to get your ClickUp node, just simply click on this plus icon and search for ClickUp, and select from here. You have to select the actions. It has 57 actions. So I will just simply select the create task option. And then after clicking on that, you will see something like this. So what you need to do is first you have to create credential for that. Simply click on this create credential. So in this tutorial, I'm using to this auth tool because these uh, two things are very similar to each other, but you need to have an access token, but in that you have to have auth too. So I will just simply show you this. It is far better than access token. Then just simply let me just sign in my ClickUp account. So as we can see, we have added this task which we had created earlier. So yeah, this is how it works. So what you need to do is next, you have to just simply click on this button, uh, or you can say click on this profile. And from the profile, you have to go to settings. And from the settings, you have to go to ClickUp APIs. Just simply click on that. And from there, you have to click on this create a new app. So basically, we will create a new app. Just simply click on it. And then from here, you have to enter your name. Let's say I will give the name n8n connection. And then from here, you have to enter your redirect URL. So where you will find this redirect URL. So go back to your n8n instance, and in OAuth redirect URL, you have to copy this and get back to your ClickUp, paste this link and click on this create app. And then the pop-up will come in front of you with client ID and the client secret. Just copy this client ID and paste your client ID and get back to your ClickUp and copy this client secret and paste your client secret. And then after that, you have to click on the save button. So after clicking on the save, your credential has been successfully created. Now it's time to connect your account. Just simply click on this connect account button. Something pop up open in front of you. Now from there, you have to choose your workspace. Right now, I have created 3 workspaces. So I will choose this one where we will perform action. Just simply click on this connect workspace button. And as you can see, our n8n instance has been successfully created. You can say connected to n8n. So as you can see, now let's do some things over here. So I will choose from resources from this task over here. And from here, in operation, I will choose create. Now let me just close this and get back again. So I will choose team name or ID. I will choose maker, which if you go back to my workflow. So over here, I have created this spaces. Now I will choose my maker, and then space name is space. And I will just simply click on this folder list, and then I will choose list name. And just to give an example, let's add a name of task to create credential for n8n ClickUp Node, and then execute this step. Now, as you can see, we have successfully executed this task, which is creating a new task in ClickUp. Now let's do more stuff. Let's say instead of creating, I will say just delete this task. So I will just delete. As you can see, we got our ID. So I will just copy and paste this task ID over here. So you can get your task ID by clicking on the task, click on the task, and from here you will get, you can see in the URL, you have this task ID. If you go back to your n8n instance, you will find this exactly same ID. Now let's execute this step. The successful is true. Let's get back. And as you can see, this task has been deleted. So after the connection, you can do a lot of stuff. Like you can fully automate your project management system. And you can basically automate your task creation, update project status, send notification. You can sync data with other apps, and even you can generate reports as well, all without manual work. Basically, you will turn ClickUp into your productivity powerhouse. So yeah, this is how you can use ClickUp in n8n. So if you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel. And if you want to create full workflow on ClickUp, just comment it down below. I will create workflow on that. Thanks for watching.